Online banking sounds like one of those things people now treat as completely normal, even though it would have sounded like science fiction a few decades ago. Imagine explaining this to someone in 1975. You'll manage all your money through a tiny screen.
I actually tried explaining online banking to my grandma once. She asked if the money falls out of the phone. Fair question.
Screen in your hand. They would probably assume you are either a genius or deeply unwell, which is fair because banking used to involve actual effort. People visited branches, waited in lines, filled out paperwork, spoke to tellers, and occasionally spent an entire afternoon solving problems caused by one missing signature. Very character building, very exhausting. Then online banking arrived and collectively made people ask, wait, I can do all this without wearing pants? A technological breakthrough at its core. Online banking allows customers to access and manage their.
That's the real revolution right there. Banking from your couch. Pants optional. We take this way too seriously now.
Bank accounts through the internet using websites or digital platforms. You can check balances, transfer money, pay bills, apply for services, and monitor spending, all without physically entering a bank, which is excellent news for people who ate lines. So almost everyone. Traditional banking had limitations. Branches closed at certain hours, lines were slow, paperwork was annoying, traveling to a branch could be inconvenient, and nobody enjoys hearing, please come back tomorrow. Banks realized customers wanted convenience. The internet made that possible. Instead of requiring branch visits for every transaction, banks
basically got tired of us being angry in their lobbies. Smart move, honestly. Nobody wins if I haven't had coffee.
Online systems so people could manage money remotely. This saved time, reduced costs, and dramatically reduced the number of people angrily waiting in financial lines. A public service, honestly. You create an online banking account through your bank. This usually involves account registration, username creation, password setup, security verification, possibly answering security questions you will forget immediately. Then you log in through your bank's website. Once inside, you can check balances, review transactions, transfer money, pay bills, download statements, manage cards, apply for products. Basically,
real question. Who actually remembers their first pet's name from 2007? Because I don't. And now I'm locked out.
Your entire financial life now lives behind a password. No pressure. This is one of the most common online banking activities. People log in constantly to check balances, sometimes responsibly, sometimes dramatically after shopping, sometimes after splitting dinner bills with friends who still haven't paid you back. Online banking gives real-time account visibility. You can see deposits, withdrawals, pending transactions, and painfully evidence of how often you order food delivered. Financial awareness can be emotionally difficult but necessary. Online banking makes transfers easier. Move money between your accounts, send money to friends, pay rent, transfer funds internationally. Checking my balance after a weekend is a spiritual experience and not a good one, but I still do 5 times a day. Handle business payments without online banking. Sending money often required branch visits or physical paperwork. Now you know online banking lets you do everything without wearing pants. If you want more videos about money made simple, subscribe. No pants required. Just a click. People get annoyed if transfers take longer than 10 seconds. Human patience continues declining at record speed. Utility bills, credit card payments, internet bills, loan payments, rent, insurance, subscription you forgot existed. Online banking helps automate payments. You can schedule recurring transactions. Very convenient. Until you forget your balance is slow. Then automation feels aggressively efficient. This is where people get nervous, and reasonably so. Online banking involves sensitive information. Banks use security systems like encryption, two-factor authentication, fraud detection, biometric logins. Customers still need strong passwords and caution because scammers remain deeply committed to ruining everyone's day. Some banks now operate entirely online, no physical branches. Examples include include Ali Financial, Chime, and Revolut. These institutions often reduce costs by avoiding expensive branch networks. Customers manage everything digitally. Great for convenience, less great if you enjoy yelling at managers in person. Online banking isn't perfect. Internet access is required. Cybersecurity risks exist. Some services still require branch visits. Older customers may struggle with digital tools. Technical outages happen, and forgetting your password can become an unexpectedly emotional event, especially when every recovery question feels like a trap. What was your favorite teacher's middle name in 2008? Nobody knows that. At the end of the day, online banking allows customers to manage financial accounts through internet platforms without visiting physical branches. It saves time, improves convenience, and makes modern finance dramatically faster. It changed how people interact with money worldwide. Humanity built digital systems capable of moving billions of dollars instantly, and many of us still log in mainly to see whether our paycheck has arrived yet, which feels incredibly human. Now you know online banking lets you do everything without wearing pants. If you want more videos about money made simple, subscribe. No pants required, just a click.